guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be preparing for you all apple jam. This is perfect for when you have apples that are going bad, but yet you don't want to throw them away. So if you all would like to see how I prepare this apple jam, join me and let's cook. Alright guys, so the first step we're going to do is take 1 cup of sugar and combine it with 3 tablespoons of water. We're going to make our own caramel sauce. So once you do that, you want to make sure you combine all of the ingredients together. You want to make sure this mixture is on high heat. This should take about 5 minutes. Do you guys see on the right side? It's starting to turn a little light shade of brown. So we're almost there. I'm going to add some cinnamon, fresh cinnamon, vanilla extract, and this is a mixture of ginger and nutmeg, so I'm just going to sprinkle that all over. Alright, so go ahead and stir everything in.